Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Breville BBL 620SIL1A US1 Fresh and Furious Food Blender, a powerhouse of versatility and convenience. Designed with 9 one-touch programs and 5 speed settings, this blender effortlessly transforms rough starts into smooth finishes, whether you're making instant smoothies, green smoothies, or crushing ice. Its innovative hemisphere performance combines the power of a blender with some food processing tasks, allowing you to crush, chop, fold, and aerate for creamy smoothies and soups. For those seeking even smoother textures and richer flavors, it's compatible with the Vac Q, which removes air from the jug before blending, though it's sold separately. The quiet yet efficient blending performance is thanks to its high-torque motor and surgical-grade stainless steel blades that stay sharp longer. With an LCD display that counts up on speed settings and down for pre-programmed settings, you have complete control over your blending experience. Finally, the Breville Assist lid with its unique ring pull design ensures easy removal while staying sealed tight during operation, making this blender a perfect addition to any kitchen. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.